Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Gmail and Outlook ready. Open Gmail, enable a map so Outlook can sync folders. This matters because a map keeps messages on the server and mirrors actions. Next, turn on two-step verification and generate an app password. You will use that instead of your regular password. This ensures secure access. Finally, make sure Outlook is installed and updated. Once done, sign into Outlook and choose to add a new account to begin the connection process. You now add Gmail inside Outlook. Go to File, Add Account, and enter your Gmail address. If automatic setup fails, pick Manual or Advanced, then select a map. This keeps folders synced across devices. For server settings, set incoming a map to port 993 with SSL/TLS and outgoing SMTP to port 587 with startles. When prompted for password, paste the app password you created earlier. Once configured, make sure folder mapping is correct so sent and trash store messages where you expect. You finish by verifying synchronization and addressing common issues. Send a test message and confirm it appears in Sent and on Gmail web. Make sure new incoming mail lands in inbox. If you see authentication errors, re-enter the app password, confirm a map remains enabled in Gmail, and double-check ports and security types. If Outlook still balks, clear old stored credentials in Windows Credential Manager and restart Outlook. This often resolves cached password conflicts, so the correct app password is used going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.